Let's get you breaking news coming in regard to the Heathrow Airport. From what we're hearing is the London airport has been shut down, and this is due to a fire at an electrical substation supplying the airport. Heathrow is experiencing a significant power outage. That is what the airport authorities put out in a statement on the social media site X. In order to maintain the safety of our passengers and our colleagues, Heathrow will remain closed up until 12 o'clock tonight. And of course, Heathrow authorities are saying that passengers are advised not to travel to the airport, and they really need to check in with their airlines for further information. We have my colleague Priyanka joining us. Priyanka, this is going to have a spiraling impact because, shutting down of the airport for 24 hours due to a power outage. Firstly, when was the last time that something like this happened? And of course, the airport authority is saying this is a precautionary measures. But, this is going to have a trickling effect when it comes to people perhaps, taking connecting flights, and also, other flights in other countries are going to get impacted.
That's right. As you also know, as you pointed out, that the Heathrow Airport is also the largest and the primary airport for UK and also the busiest in Europe. So as you mentioned, the connecting flights will definitely be impacted. Just to recap for our viewers now, there's a major power outage that is caused by the fire. Now, the airport will be shut down for close to 24 hours. That is till midnight Friday in UK. And this is likely to not only impact the European flights, but also the transatlantic flights across the board. Now, just to take you through it, that the Heathrow Airport, as you mentioned, has also advised passengers not to reach the airport as of now and keep a close tab on the developments, as flights are likely to be rescheduled, and they better be and connect with the websites that they booked their airline tickets with, so that they are not creating any havoc going ahead, because as I mentioned, it's also a busy airport, not only in UK, but in Europe.
Priyanka, well, from what time has the airport been on this shutdown mode? And of course, what time did this fire start? There's been a power outage, and which is why the Heathrow Airport, the busiest airport, like you pointed out, has been shut down, and it's going to be shut till 12 o'clock at night. That is what the authorities are saying. But also, they are saying wait for information from the airlines. Contact the airlines before they head to the airport. So even if they have put out that message till about 12 o'clock, they're not really sure if they'll be able to resume operations at 12 o'clock, tonight.
That's right. There's been no clarity from Heathrow Airport authorities as of now. As of now, the information is that it is going to be closed for sure till midnight, but there's no clarity as to when the operations will resume, thereby making it even more confusing, really, for the airlines and the passengers who are all set to travel. So creating a lot of throwing off the travel plans of all the passengers, really, and it's likely to impact. But we yet to get some clarity as to what led to the fire and the consequent power outage, and as well as when the operations will resume.